is a great day to be a UW alum. I'm Jack Tennant, Executive Director of the University of Wyoming Alumni Association, and I'm here with President Seidel at the UW Holiday Market. Now we've got galas, we've got concerts, we've got markets, we even have our winter commencement, but this event really ends up being one of the signature events of the season. I know how much it means to the community, but maybe tell us a little bit about what it means to you.
Oh, this is one of my favorite events of the year because we have not only alums and we have students and we've got professors and we have staff, but we've got a lot of kids here who just make this really a fun and special event.
Till next time,
Happy holidays!
Merry Christmas!
and go Post.